What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you how to convert your Android phone into an arcade gaming experience. Now there's two ways to do it. You can use the Legends Ultimate Arcade, which is already built and basically an arcade in itself. Now you don't need a Legends Ultimate Arcade. They also make other units where it's an individual control panel that you could connect to your big screen TV. And I'll leave a link in the video description below. Now, hopefully they'll come out an upgraded control panel for the Legends Ultimate Arcade. Then I can just remove this and swap it out with the new control panel that has the 8 buttons per player and the 2 side buttons for virtual pinball. That'd be great. The only thing you're going to need is this cable. Is the MHL to HDMI cable. I'll leave a link in the video description below where to get this cable. Cool Toy channel. He made a video how to play video games off your Fire TV stick, and you basically just plug it into here and then plug your USB right into the USB port like that and then switch to input. Now I'm not going to go through that. His tutorial is great. I'll leave that link in the video description below if you're interested. Why do I want a game on my Android phone? Well, there's lots of awesome games on the Google Play Store that are compatible for this control panel. This control panel is Bluetooth enabled, which is awesome. That's one of the great updates they included. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my S9 phone. Now you want to update your phone and make sure your phone supports MHL. And let's plug it into the HDMI port. I'm going to switch to input. I believe it's the red light, this one. Alright, it is now connected. There we go. It's connected. I had a dirty connection. I just had to make sure that it was clean. If you have it plugged in over here, that's just going to be HDMI 2, which is the green light. Alright, so that's basically just plug and play. You don't really have to configure anything. We're going to go to settings. And we're going to select Bluetooth device. Select device right here. And hit apply. Now switching to device mode, and we're going to select discovery. As you can see right here, HA8800, select that and hit OK. We're going to switch the input to HDMI 2. And then we're in. So now I can use my joystick to move around. Now I'm going to select games, hit A to select, and I'm going to play a game right here, NBA Jam. Let's see if this works. And the volume works too, which is great. Now, if you don't hear any volume, you want to make sure the volume is up on your phone. So turn on the volume on your phone and then turn on the volume on your arcade cabinet. So it sounds great. Alright. So B is back. You can also change the controls, I believe, in the settings, in the game settings. But let's just play a game and see if it works. Let's choose LA Lakers with Kobe Bryant.
Los Lakers. Boston wins the tip. Yes. Makes the pass.
Alright, so Y is passing and Z is shooting.
We have 1 minute to play here.
So guys, if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that may be interested in this video, click on the share button below and share this video to them. And subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. Thanks guys for watching.